Hello everyone, my name is Frainesa Chique Tenorio. I give my opinions on the topics selected by my colleague Clara. The metaphor a good conscience is continuous Christmas in some parts. Let's us to reflect that white ours mind and here and hearts this clean in free of worries that will be tranquility for a long time. That is to say that with a good conscience you will feel happiness, peace of mind, and tranquility. Draw out the years that this feeling is not something that should be felt only at Christmas time, but lifetime. I think the situation that my clear companions lived was because she performed her students' tasks very well and significantly what caused her best friends to betray her by selling the works of hers at other ships, regardless of the reason that led him to commit this crime. That matter was that I accept the mistake and clearly forget him stressing the importance of evaluating the use of past time. If it is identified that applies it although in the grammatical rules I see the deficiency in the wordings because in the text there is redundancy. For example, the words drinking and experience is repeat. I think that it lacks to use other synonyms for a better interpretation in terms of the spelling. If it is apt at place the scores and tildes properly. My first advice is to surround yourself with people or colleagues who have positive ideas and who clearly resemble to fight for equality and achieve success. The second advice to have some malice and uncertainty at the time of letting a person into your life or provide confidence in all areas areas of works, social and economic, because not everyone comes with good intentions. The third advice is to never stop teaching her values that identified and make her a great humans beings. One lesson I learned was that I should not give my trust to anyone a trust, or I always give to people. Another lesson is to always perform education activities in the best way, no matter what this causes selfishness and be in pairs. Thank you much.